Our top 3 favorite naughty cats who steal food. There are a lot of kitties out there who would swear that they have never been fed, even though they had their dinner 20 minutes ago. Here are some naughty cats who will try everything to steal human food. 1. Snore, snore, snore. I promise I'm asleep. 2. I love you, I love your dinner a lot, but I love you more. 3. Who needs opposable thumbs? This fridge is no match for us. Mwahahaha. We hope you have enjoyed these naughty cats. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.